if u is equal to x plus 3y square minus z cube and phi is equal to 4x square y z and w is equal to 2z square minus xy, find do u phi w be function of three independent variables x, y, z. At point is given x is a 1, y is a minus 1, z is equal to 0. Okay, now given u phi w, now Jacobian J do u phi w divided by do x, y, z. Differentiation u phi w with respect to x, y, z is equal to, is a determinant. First u, do u by do x, do u by do y, do u by do z. Second phi, do phi by do x, do phi by do y, do phi by do z. Now third w, do w by do x, do w by do y, do w by do z is a determinant. Okay, now differentiate u with respect to x, y, z, and this is equal to, differentiate u with respect to x, y, z. With respect to x means it is 1 only, 1. With respect to y means x, z treated as a constant, 6y, 6y. With respect to z means minus 3z square. This is partially with respect to x, y, z, partially. Okay, now phi with respect to x, y, z, phi with respect to x, y, z is 8x, y, z, 8x, y, z with respect to x. With respect to y means 4z square, x square z, sorry, 4x square z. With respect to z means 4x square y. And w with respect to x, y, z, first with respect to x means minus y, with respect to y means minus x, with respect to z means 4z. Now at point is given, at point 1, minus 1, 0 means x is minus 1, x is 1, y is minus 1, z is a 0. And substitute j is equal to 1 is 1 as it is, y is equal to minus 1 is minus 6, and z is a 0, and x, y, z, z is a 0 means this is 0, z is a 0 means second element is 0, and 1 and minus 1 minus 4, y is a minus 1, minus minus is plus, x is 1 is minus 1, z is a 0. Okay, expand this determinant. Now expand, first one is 4, then it is 0. Total answer is, final answer is j is equal to 20. Now this is required answer. If x is equal to r sin theta into cos phi, y is equal to r sin theta into sin phi, and z is equal to r cos theta, then prove that dou xyz by dou r theta phi is equal to r square sin theta. Okay, given x, y, z. Now Jacobian j is equal to dou x, y, z divided by dou r theta phi. That means determinant, differentiate x with respect to r theta phi. Dou x by dou r, dou x by dou theta, dou x by dou phi. Okay, first one. Second one, dou y by dou r, dou y by dou theta, dou y by dou phi. Now third one, dou z by dou r, dou z by dou theta, dou z by dou phi. Okay. Now j is equal to Jacobian is a determinant. Differentiate x with respect to r is 1. Sin theta into cos pi. Differentiate x with respect to theta means differentiate only this one. R is constant, sin become cos theta, and cos pi as it is. differentiate it is with respect to pi. R sin theta is a constant. Differentiate this one is minus sin pi. First row. Second row, with respect to R. R means sin theta into sin pi as it is. With respect to theta means differentiate sin theta only. R is as it is, sin theta is a cos theta, and sin pi is as it is. With respect to pi, is this one. With respect to pi, why? With respect to pi means R sin theta as it is, sin pi is a cos pi. Okay. Now third one is Z. With respect to R, cos theta is remaining constant. With respect to theta, R is constant. Theta means minus sin theta. With respect to pi, no pi variable is 0. Okay. Now J is equal to first row R is common. Take R is common. Sorry, not a row, column. Second column R is a column, and the third column R sin theta is a common. Take outside the determinant. This one is R and this is R sin theta is a R square sin theta. Now first row, first column is as it is, sin theta cos pi, sin theta sin pi and cos theta. Okay. Now second column is R is taking common, cos theta into cos pi, cos theta into sin pi and only minus sin theta. In third column is R sin theta is taken outside, means remaining sin pi, cos pi and 0. Okay. Now expand this determinant. J is equal to R square sin theta is first plus minus plus. First one is sin theta into cos pi. These four taking multiplication. First 0 minus minus plus sin theta into cos pi. Okay. Now second one, minus cos theta into cos pi. Taking these four elements. First one is 0 minus cos theta into cos pi, minus cos theta into cos pi. Okay. Now third one is sin pi. Sin pi is, taking these four elements, is a multiplication minus sin into sin, sin square theta into sin pi, and minus sin multiplication cos square theta into sin pi. Okay. Now J is equal to R square sin theta into, open the bracket, this one is sin square theta into cos square pi. Then minus minus plus cos square theta into cos square pi. Okay. And multiplication minus sin is a sin square theta into sin square pi. Okay. Then minus sin and cos square theta into sin square pi. Okay. And this is equal to R square. Now cos square pi is common. Okay. R square sin theta. Inside is cos square is a common, cos square pi. Now inside the bracket, sin square theta plus cos square theta, and the minus, one minute, minus minus plus, and this is a plus minus plus, plus minus plus, 1 minute, it is a plus minus, sorry, minus sign is there, and here is a minus sign. I'll take minus, and this is also minus. Minus means all terms are positive. Sorry. Now in this way, Sin square pi is common. Take plus sin square pi. Inside is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta is a 1. Now r square sin theta, this part is 1. Remaining cos square pi, this is 1 plus sin square pi, and this is 1. And j is equal to r square sin theta cos square pi plus sin square pi is a 1. Now this is required answer.